Here's our 2026 Stoller recipe.
Skirt steak al fuego served in a Manchego Tuile.
Now let's make one of my favorite flavor boosters, Salsa Macha. If you've never had it before, think of it as Mexico's answer to chili crisp. It's smoky, it's nutty, it's crispy with texture, and it can completely transform a dish with just one spoonful. I'm using 4 different chilies today. The morita brings a deep smoky flavor. Chile de arbol is where the heat comes from. Guajillo adds that mild fruitiness and earthy flavor. And ancho contributes that rich, almost raisin-like sweetness. Together, these chilies create layers of flavor instead of just making a spicy salsa. We'll give them a rough chop, then we'll heat up our oil on the grill. Next, we'll cook our garlic cloves until they're golden brown and remove. Now our peanuts until golden brown and remove as well. Add our pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and our chilies until they're fragrant. This smells so good. Now we'll add it all into a blender, some salt, vinegar, and blend coarse. Now we'll let this rest for 24 to 48 hours so it builds its flavors.
If you've ever wondered how restaurants add that perfect pop of flavor to a dish, the answer is often something simple: acidity. These pickled shallots bring a bright, tangy, slightly sweet, and beautiful crisp layer to this dish. We're gonna thinly slice some shallots. We'll add some red wine vinegar, some sugar, a little bit of salt. Give it a stir. Pour the mixture in a jar. Add the shallots. Leave it to rest. Every great dish needs that one ingredient that makes people stop and ask, what is that flavor? Next layer, we're making a charred pineapple-habanero glaze, a smoky, sweet, spicy finishing sauce that brings serious impact. Coat with olive oil. Place pineapple on the grill and the habanero. Char until well caramelized. Remove the seeds. Place ingredients in a food processor. Apple cider vinegar, lime juice, honey, and blend until well mixed. Place in a saucepan and cook until well glazed.
Let's season our skirt steak. A light coat of olive oil, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, lime zest, minced garlic, evenly coat, and let it rest.
For this dish, we chose this crisp Manchego Tuile cup as our vessel, delivering elegance, texture, and incredible flavor in just a few simple steps. Manchego is a Spanish sheep's milk cheese known for its rich, nutty character and subtle saltiness. When baked, it transforms into a delicate, lace-like crisp that's both beautiful and delicious. Finally, shred some Manchego. Add in some finely chopped cilantro to add a little herbaceous taste. Gently mix together. Using a small round cookie cutter, arrange small mounds onto the silicone mat and gently spread them into thin circles. Keep them even for that perfect crisp texture. Place the mixture in a cookie cutter. Pat down evenly. Place baking sheet on the grill. Grill until slightly golden. Remove and form into cups.
Let's fire up this skirt steak. Grilled to perfection, then cut cross grain into thin strips.
A scoop of cilantro-lime rice, grilled steak, pineapple-habanero sauce, pickled shallots, fresh pineapple, Cotija cheese, fresh cilantro, and salsa macha. Skirt steak al fuego? Here's the recipe. Now you try.